Hey everyone, my name is Tariq Brown, and I'm a software engineer on the C++ extension for VS Code. Over the next few minutes, I will walk you through how to get set up on your Windows machine in VS Code using the MinGW Toolkit. But first, you might be curious, what exactly is the MinGW Toolkit? MinGW stands for Minimalist GNU for Windows. It's a free and open source software development environment used to create Windows applications. It is essentially a collection of headers and libraries that will give you all the dependencies and files that you need to compile C++ on your machine. Think of it as a streamlined way to get everything you need. Let's get started. For our first step in the tutorial, we're going to visit our docs page. Within this docs page, you will first be prompted with links to install Visual Studio Code and our extension. This tutorial assumes that you have successfully installed both. If you need help installing them, please use the links on our page. Otherwise, continue scrolling to the instructions for installing the MinGW toolchain. Please use the direct link to the installer that is available on our page to download the installer that you will use to download the compiler. Once you have successfully installed the installer, please follow the on-screen steps to correctly finish the installation. Once you have successfully installed MSys2, you will be prompted with a screen to install the compiler. In this screen, you must run the following command, which can be found on our docs page and at the description of this video. Simply copy and paste the command, and when prompted, accept the default number of packages in the toolchain by pressing enter. Enter Y when prompted, and successfully install all the necessary dependencies. After you've downloaded the necessary dependencies, you must edit your path environment variable to point towards the compiler so it can be picked up by VS Code. In order to do this, please search for Edit Environment Variables for your account in the Windows search bar. After, you want to click on your path environment variable and click Edit. Under the environment variable, you want to click New, you want to click Browse, and you want to search for your installation. Traditionally, this will be under the C folder, under the MSys64 folder. And you want to click UCRT64 to get the updated compiler. Click OK, and click OK, and click OK, and you'll have successfully set your path environment variable. Next, to check if we have successfully installed the compiler, we shall open up a command prompt and type in gcc -- version. If everything was done so successfully, we're going to see the version number for our compiler. Our next step is to confirm that the compiler is being picked up by our extension. To do this, open Visual Studio Code, and in the command palette, use the select IntelliSense configuration command provided by our extension. If configured correctly, you should see the GCC compiler within the drop-down of compilers, and you're ready to go. Thank you guys for watching. If this video helped you guys out, be sure to like and leave a comment below so we know what we should do next. Peace and have a great day.